आयज कोलवा नॅशनल गेम्साच्या बीच सॉकर टोर्नामेंटान गोंयच्या टिमीन लक्षद्वीपाक 7-8-5 गोलांनी हारयले. गेम बरी इंट्रस्टींग गेली आनी लास्टाक गोंयां जिखले. आनी फाल्यां सांजच्या 4:30 वरांचेर हांगासर ह्या कोलवा बीच सॉकर फायनलाचे टोर्नामेंटाचे फायनल जातली.
Thank you, Goa, and thank you entire our team. Bruno, with his full, they have given the best of Goa, and let's cheer tomorrow for final for gold. I don't have words, but last few minutes it was tense, but boys has come out and they have shown that we are the best.
And like reaching the final of a beach soccer tournament, it's like any team reaching a final, it's like a promotion, a big time promotion. Young people get inspired by this.
Absolutely, and this is for national game. This is the first time happening and added beach soccer. So whoever wins, Kerala, Goa, I will say Goa. So it will be the first who will make a winning trophy, and it will be history from our Kollwa beach.
So some tense moment and finally flying off with a win.
See, in beach football is the game is such that in one half you can score 8 goals. In second half you can equalize all the 8 goals. But it is different. But what it is like, I believed in my boys and they did what they could do.
And you talked about the fitness, and the results are showing of the fitness itself.
You see, what fitness I have done with the boys is really different. And what they have performing, the people have watched it, and the way they have come back is all what we need.
So final with Kerala. So
see, we'll go all out. It's not like just win this thing. We will give a tough fight, whatever it is, and we'll see that the game is different. How it is today, it's very different.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर कोलवा सावन साबिर्डेस.